In this video, we're putting two powerful website builders to the test, Framer and TenWeb. Which one is the right choice for bringing your website idea to life? Let's find out together. Let's start with Framer. Framer is a tool made for designers who love to create. Think of it as a digital canvas where you can design and build a real website at the same time. You don't just draw a picture of a website, you build the actual thing. It's famous for making it easy to add cool animations and make your site interactive. So, if you want buttons that move or pictures that change as you scroll, Framer is for you. It feels a lot like popular design tools. So, if you have used one of those, Framer will be easy to learn. It's perfect for people who care a lot about how their website looks and feels. Want to make your website pop? Framer gives you the tools to do just that without needing to be a coding genius. Framer's biggest strength is its visual editor. If you have used design tools like Figma or Sketch, you will feel right at home. You can design your website with complete freedom. Just drag elements like text, images, and buttons into the page. You can see exactly what your website will look like as you build it. This makes the design process very fast and fun. You don't need to guess how things will look after you publish. It also makes it easy to create responsive designs. This means your website will look great on phones and tablets too. Framer has smart tools that help you with this. You can focus on being creative and not on writing code. This makes it perfect for people who care a lot about design. Framer makes it incredibly easy to add animations to your website. You can make elements fade in, slide in, or move as you scroll. These effects can make your website feel much more modern and engaging. You can add these animations with just a few clicks. There is no need to learn complicated coding. You can also create interactions. For example, you can make a button change color when you hover over it. This helps guide your visitors and make your site more fun to use. These features are built right into Framer, so they work smoothly. You don't need to install extra plugins like you do with other platforms. If you want a website that really stands out with cool effects, Framer is amazing. It helps you create a very polished and professional look. Framer is an all-in-one solution for building a website. This means everything you need is included in one package. You don't have to find and pay for your own web hosting. Framer takes care of that for you. This makes getting your website online much simpler. It also means your website will be fast and secure. Framer optimizes everything to work well together. You also get a built-in content management system. This lets you easily manage content like blog posts or portfolio projects. For people who don't want to deal with the technical side of websites, this is a huge plus. You can focus on creating your website and Framer handles the rest. Framer is built for teams to work together. Multiple people can work on the same website project at the same time. This is great for design agencies or businesses with a marketing team. You can leave comments directly on the design. This makes it easy to give feedback and make changes. Everyone can see the latest version of the website in real time. There is no need to send files back and forth. This speeds up the design process a lot. It helps to make sure everyone is on the same page. If you are working with others on a website, Framer's collaboration features are a big advantage. It makes teamwork smooth and efficient. Framer has a few different pricing plans. There is a free plan that lets you try it out. You can build a website with it, but it will have Framer branding. The paid plans start at around $5 per month for a simple landing page. The most popular plans for personal or business websites are around $15 to $30 per month. These plans let you use your own custom domain name. They also give you more features and bandwidth, which is how much traffic your site can handle. For bigger teams and businesses, there are more expensive plans with more features. The price includes hosting, so you don't have that extra cost. Overall, Framer's pricing is clear and includes everything you need to get started. So, who is Framer for? Framer is perfect for designers and creative people. If you want a visually stunning portfolio, Framer is an excellent choice. It's also great for creating beautiful landing pages for new products. Small businesses that want a modern and stylish website will love it too. If you value design and ease of use over having thousands of features, Framer is for you. It's for people who want to build a beautiful website quickly without writing code. If you have used design software before, you will find Framer very easy to learn. It is a great tool for anyone who wants to create impressive websites with cool animations. Now let's talk about TenWeb. TenWeb is a modern website builder that uses artificial intelligence or AI. This makes building a website super fast and easy. It is built on top of WordPress, which is a very popular system for websites. Think of TenWeb as a smart helper that builds a WordPress site for you. You don't need to be a computer expert to use it. It helps you create a professional-looking website in just a few minutes. TenWeb is great for people who want a powerful website without the hard work. It uses Google Cloud to host your site, which means your website will be fast and safe. It is designed for businesses, online stores, and agencies. Are you ready to see how AI can build your website? The AI website builder is the star of TenWeb. Imagine describing your business in a few words and a full website is created for you. That's what this feature does. It generates everything: text, images, and the design of your website. You can even give it a link to a website you like and it will recreate that style for you. This saves a lot of time and effort. You don't have to start from an empty page. The AI gives you a complete website that you can then change and make your own. It's like having a web designer who works in seconds. What if you want to make changes to your new website? The AI Copilot is here to help. It works inside the website editor, which is based on a tool called Elementor. You can ask the AI Copilot to do things for you. For example, you can tell it to change the color of all buttons to blue or write a paragraph about our company history. It understands your commands and makes the changes. This makes editing your website as easy as talking to a person. It helps you fine-tune your website without needing to know any code or complex settings. TenWeb doesn't just build your site, it also takes care of it. It provides high-quality hosting on Google Cloud, which is very reliable. This means your website is always online and loads quickly for your visitors. TenWeb automatically handles all the technical stuff. It does automatic backups so you never lose your work. It also does security checks to protect your site from bad guys, and it makes sure your website is always updated to the latest version of WordPress. You can focus on your business and TenWeb will manage the rest. Have you ever waited a long time for a website to open? That's bad for business. TenWeb promises to make your website super fast. It automatically optimizes your site to get a score of 90 or more on Google's page speed test. A fast website makes visitors happy and can help you rank higher in Google search results. TenWeb does this by making images smaller, organizing code, and using other smart tricks. You don't have to do anything technical. TenWeb makes sure your site is fast on computers and mobile phones. TenWeb has different plans for different needs. The prices are clear and easy to understand. They have plans for starting a new site, for beginner business, and for agencies that build sites for others. The AI Starter plan is great for personal websites and small businesses. It usually starts around $10 per month if you pay for a whole year. If you need more features like for online store, the AI Premium and AI Ultimate plans are available. These plans cost a bit more but offer more power. They offer a free trial so you can test it before you buy. So, who is it for? 10web is perfect for people who want the power of WordPress without the difficulty. If you are a small business owner, this is a great choice. You can get a professional website up and running very quickly. It's also great for freelancers and agencies who build websites for clients. The AI tools help you work much faster. If you want a very fast and secure website and love the idea of using AI to help you, 10web is for you. It's for doers who want to focus on their ideas, not the technology behind them. Now, these two platforms are excellent. So, which one is for you? If you are a designer who wants complete creative freedom and loves making things move, Framer is your winner. But if you want to build a powerful WordPress site fast without any technical stress, then 10web is your champion. Both are amazing tools, but they are made for different kinds of creators. We hope this video helped you decide. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.